You are watching someone's job end.
Dead tell, the mask slick and the camera caught it well. Dead tell.
What you're about to see has been documented in organizational research under the category of institutional gaslighting. The mechanism has a name. By the end of this video, you'll be able to call it by that name. Note the pen. Note the document. Note who is not in the room yet. 3 stages, 1 dead tell, in sequence. Stay with this. At the end of this video, you'll see the exact moment the decision was made. Before she walked in. Stage 1, the entry.
Sarah, come in. Thanks for making time. I want to start by saying Q3 came back strong. The 15% increase is confirmed. That's a real achievement, and I want you to know that's acknowledged.
Thank you. It took a lot of work to get there.
It shows. And that's why this is a good moment for us to align on where we go from here. We want you to succeed, Sarah. This is an opportunity.
You've heard some version of that answer. Most people have. The pen is there. The signature is what the meeting is for. The paperwork crosses the table before the subject has been named.
We've put together a development plan, just a framework to give a shared language going forward. The 15% is great.
Watch the pivot.
But we want to see more ownership of the room. In meetings and stakeholders, we want you leading conversations, not just contributing to it.
Not a percentage, not a unit. A judgment call, defined entirely by the person making it. That's the dead tell, but you can't name it yet. Neither can she.
The 15% is great, but we want to see more ownership of the room.
When you say ownership, how is that measured? Is there a benchmark?
If you have ever been told you're doing well, and then told it isn't quite enough, and couldn't get a clear answer on what enough actually looks like, you have already seen this move.
It's more about visibility and presence. People knowing you were there, that you drove things forward.
Right, but 15% was something concrete to work toward. How do we measure ownership?
That's exactly what this plan is designed to support. It gives us a structure to track progress together as things develop.
The manager doesn't answer. The question is acknowledged, then redirected.
It's still unclear how I would be appraised.
That's why we're having this conversation.
The evidence is already on the table. Tell 1, that pen was placed before she arrived. Tell 2, the document was printed before the meeting. The dead tell.
But we want to see more ownership of the room.
She is given a task that cannot be measured nor appealed. The judge is the person grading her. That's ambiguity as design. The unclear standard isn't an oversight, it's the mechanism. She asks one more time.
Before I sign, what does success look like at 30 days? What's the standard?
We'll define that together with our check-ins. This is going to be a good thing, Sarah.
Her questions didn't challenge the outcome. They became the record that she was given a chance to challenge it. That's process Forecloses appeal. The procedure isn't protection. It's what makes protection impossible. Not a development conversation, a procedural record. Proof that the employee was informed of a standard. Goffman drew the line between what's performed for the audience and what's rehearsed off stage. When backstage props appear in front stage performances, the distinction collapses. That's what the pen is. 70 to 80% of PIPs end in termination or resignation within 12 months. The plan is rarely for improvement. You've seen the meeting. Now look at what was on her manager's screen this morning. Earlier that morning, the manager's screen, he posts in the HR Slack channel. Read the thread. The language is soft. HR doesn't refuse. They offer the procedure. Minutes later, the manager files the request. His intention has become a formal process. Manager cites HR. HR cites policy. Policy cites the company. Accountability without author. The Slack thread closed at 9:45. The invite lands in her calendar at 10:02.
Come in, thanks for making time.
The meeting at 14:12. The architecture was complete more than 4 hours before she walked in. The language was strategic. The ambiguity was structural. The meeting was the read aloud. You've seen the architecture of a performance improvement plan. See if you can name the 3 concepts before I do.
What was performed is all I came to tell. She set the table like a stage. Put the knife where you could see it. Put the blame where you could feel it. Called it dinner, called it love, called it grace. Dead tell. The master and the camera called it well. Dead tell. What was performed is all I came to tell.